Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to enter practice range with friends in Valorant. Although you cannot enter practice range with your friends, you can still practice gunfighting, ability usage in-game with your friends. In order to do that, just click on play, go to custom game, choose any of the attacker or defender sides. Now go to options and turn cheats on. After that, start the match. Pick any agent alongside your friends that you both want to practice with. Now the game will load. After you get into the game, you have to press escape, go to cheats. Now turn on infinite ability, infinite ammunition, magazines, credits, and ignore shopping restrictions. You can also turn on invulnerability, and you can also turn on ghost mode, which lets you go through place to place in a matter of seconds. Also, you can choose any different agent that you would want to practice with. Now, as an example, I'll practice reveal dart lineup of Sova. And I'll also try to clear some angles. And that's how you can practice with your friends in Valorant. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.